Video on. Got my little bobber out there. Got a night crawler on it. Just out here enjoying the day, giving it a try. The local Harmony Road pond here in Fort Collins, Colorado. Yepper. Water's way up. It's really high. It's really dirty too. Huh. Tried another spot, Jackson Lake. It's over by Fort Morgan, Colorado. Didn't catch nothing there this morning. So I thought I'd try to finish the day off here. It's relaxing underneath the shade tree here. It's kind of nice. Yepper. Yepper. Bobber school today. Flip it out there a little ways. Yepper. Well, it's all for fun. Usually catch a lot of bluegills here. Oh, I've only been here a little bit. Keep trying. About 2 o'clock in the afternoon, Friday. Yeah. I have caught a nice walleye here once. That was last year. I'll put it back. That'd be cool to have this thing full of walleye. But mostly come here and catch bluegill for catfish bait. Yepper. Pretty slow presentation today, like Bill Dance would say. But it's an enjoyable day. It's nice out. Trees are greening up, growing leaves. Spring is here. Time to get out more often, do some fishing. Enjoy it. Supposed to be thunderstorms coming in tonight. Rain for the next 4 days. So better get out today. See the clouds rolling in on the north there. I don't know. Try out this Chesty with my phone. See how it works. These GoPros are just so expensive. Gotta start somewhere. It's getting out their ways. We'll reel it in. Give it another toss out there. Big old tail on the knot crawler. Woo! There we go. Get it out in front of me a little bit. Bouncy bobber. Bobber school today. I like using a bobber. Makes you feel like a kid again. Oops, beans. Hope it's not Skunk City today. Gosh, I hate that. Jackson over there this morning, there's a guy over there is telling me they were catching all kinds of wipers last weekend, but said he hasn't caught nothing all week, so I don't know. Just fished that canal there. And then he said some lady caught a really nice 30-inch walleye last week in there. It's a little ways to drive, about an hour, a little over an hour. But I know I've heard a lot of people catching wipers over there. It's kind of a boat lake though. About the only place you can fish is the boat dock or the canal. But when the wind comes up over there, it's all flat over there. Pretty windy and rough, you know. Hear those black birds with the red wings. Kind of noisy. Oh, what was that? Oh, a snag? Must have been a snag. Could be a tree branch out here in front of this big shade tree. We'll try it over here again. A little bit of wind, breeze, drifting my bobber around. A lot better when I first got here though. Calming down. Well, back at you if I catch something.